Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add someone else on Discord. So first of all, open up Discord. Okay, now you guys need to search for the people or that person you want to add. Okay, so here you can see that. Let me just show you in this server. Okay, in this server this is a person I can see. Okay, so if I want to add this profile, just simply you guys need to just click on view profile. Okay, now here you can see that send friend request. You guys need to click on that, and as you guys can see, your friend request is sent. Okay, now you guys need to wait for him to accept your friend request. Okay, so if this person accept your friend request, okay, you will be able to see that you are friends, right? So this was my another account. I've just accepted the friend request. Now you can just simply send him messages, and you can call him, you can start a voice call or video call. Okay, so it's up to you. So I hope you guys understand how you can send friend request. Okay, so let me show you guys another thing. Like if you want to go to someone else's server and just want to add people from there. Okay, now let's suppose this is a profile. Okay, so I'm just going to visit his profile, clicking on profile, and here you can see that this guy's profile. So I'm just sending him friend request. So it's friend request, your friend request is sent. Okay, so you will be able to see his activity on mutual servers. Like this guy and I am also in the same server, so it's showing that mutual servers. Okay, or if if you have any kind of mutual friends, it will show right here. Okay, and you can see his user info. It's his about, or this is his Facebook profile and YouTube. Okay, YouTube account. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minutes solution.